Hello there. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And today we will talk about our report on mobile apps that support pick and drops laundry. So I will give to Muhammad Arshad for the background.
Okay, that is a background. The Easy Laundry service is a mobile apps that support pick and drop laundry business. Also, this service is available for wide range peoples, and the service was targeted to organization that requires frequent laundry service like spas, restaurants, hospital, and for individuals who are overwhelmed by a lot of laundries. Uh, Next is this this service can give benefits to user, especially uh, leaving no time to load a laundry for a partner in the family when working days. Also, customer and client get a notification through the track order and get notified of the updates of their service. And Easy Laundries can get the income from client in one-time payment to use the app service for their business. Also, the Easy Laundry's cost is will be significant and will include product developer or app developer for development of the application service. Also, the cost will change following the renovation or updates for the apps. And last is the resource. Our Easy Laundry's service resource is a server or database to get and store the information from client and their customer. Also, we need to hire a developer who is skilled in building app for generating and building the application for client and customer.
Hi, my name is Nur Shahira Binti Isha. My metric number 270795. I represent about product value proposition. So, what's the main reason to create this product or service? The main reason for creating or develop this application is to make sure that the student of University Utara Malaysia can use their time wisely. This is because every day and every time the laundry in campus is too crowded with people who are from UM student and guests from outside. This problem may cause the student need to wait for long time to do their laundry. So here we come up with value proposition canvas. So what need a consumer and how the needs of consumer related to the problem? People nowadays don't have enough time to do their duties. So development of information technologies and mobile technology has helped to develop of electronic business, or we call it as e-business, and has extended such business competitive advantage. Organization intend to redesign this ordinary processor and to choose their business processor. In order to remain competitive, to obtain success and keep up with technology innovation, they formally business sector have developed mobile application designed to market their business service and goods. How to solve this problem? There are some problem statements can identify in the issue of use laundry service. When people use self-service laundry, they have to waste their time by waiting the laundry to finish. To solve this problem, mobile laundry service application called Easy Laundries has been developed. This application will give customers to place the order from their smartphone and choose the pickup and delivery times. Customers need to fill up a laundry pickup request form in the application before making an order. After choose the time in schedule, automatically the order has entered into the chat request. Then, customer will get notification for order received and pickup request. Like other system and application, Easy Laundry application also show the price list to the customer. Our application, which is Easy Laundry, has a lot of benefit, such as ease for consumer. A laundry mobile apps can help users to book their laundry or by order online on the tap of few buttons. Other than that, is wide coverage, which is with a mobile application, all the laundry businesses can cater to the needs to the distant customer, also to removing geographical barrier. This application will give automation of process, which is a mobile application also enable laundry businesses to automate the whole process, which is booking, payment, pickup, and also delivery, and help their work more efficient in large scale too.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Alif bin Samsudin with matrix number 272925. Right now, I will describe about our technology description for our project, which is Easy Laundry. So, as you can see right here, this is our flow of the app for Easy Laundry. Right here, we have about 9 pages, and each page have different function and different button. And every time user click the button, it will relate to the selected page. First of all, we have startup page. This page will pop up for the first time user for the app. It contains two buttons, which are login and sign up button, which will let the user to login page for login button and the sign up page for sign up button. Secondly, we have login page. This page is for user to log in their existing account. They need to fill their registered email and valid password to log in. If they do not have any account, they need to click the sign up button to register their account through the sign up page. The third page that we have is sign up page. This page is for the first time user to sign up their account to let them use the service. Users need to fill their selected username, valid email address, and password. Then user needs to click sign up to let them move to the next page, which is the main page. If a user already has account, they need to click the login button to let them log in through login page. Right here, we have our main page. This page is the main feature of the apps. It contains a list of services that are available in the apps and also a list of special offers. User need to choose what service that they want to use and it will lead them to the next page, which is delivery page. While user click on the special offer, they will redirect it to the special offer page. Next, we have delivery page. This page is about to pick and delivery of the clothes. User needs to fill the address to let the rider know where he needs to pick up and drop the clothes. User also need to choose time and date that are available for pick and drop. If they are done with the address and time selection, they need to click go for payment to proceed to the payment page. Next, we have payment page. This page will let the user know the exact price they need to pay, including tax and discount if available to use. Next, user need to choose the type of payment they want to use, like online banking or debit card. After completion, they need to click the proceed payment button to proceed with the payment and will redirect to the receipt page. Another that we have receipt page. This page will show all the details of the order such as order ID, type of service, and time to pick and drop clothes. This page is also going to show if the order is successful or not. Also, we have special offer page. This page will explain more about special offers that are available in the app. Lastly, we have user profile page. This page will show the profile of the user like username. This page also can manage user profiles such as setting and can edit users' address. If they want to log out their account, they need to click the logout button and it will redirect to the startup page.
Moving on to business model canvas. So here is our BMC. Who are the target of customer? Our target will be UEM student, which will be our primary target customer because most of them will use laundry service to wash the clothes themselves. Other than that, yes, we have a large primary list of people who wear uniform for work. People in this market segment typically need to wash their clothes more often than the average person, then usually need to wash large load each time. Does the product address a large or growing market? Yes, the past decade has changed business landscape significantly. Business owner has really heavily on technology to initiate and complete transaction with consumer. Mobile apps are one of the major elements of modern tech that are consistently changing how consumers shop and satisfy their needs. With the increasing pace of technological advancement, consumer expectations also grow. Mobile apps are often a great channel for meeting this expectation. So we come up with our mobile application, which is Easy Laundry, which can solve the problem that being faced by university students. Is there a clear market entry strategy? Yes. First and foremost, to set a clear goal where we decided to associate problems different from others. In the case of study, it's hard to find e-commerce platform that provide mobile application that support pick and drop laundry, design significant for students at the campus of University Utara Malaysia. So we create the application with complete feature. To complete this application with complete feature, we ask questions through Google Form to the potential user of this platform, which is students. What's the distribution channel? The mobile application is a distribution channel for this product. User must download and install the application on their Android in order to access and use the laundry service that register with our company. How will the product or service be delivered to customer? The product will be delivered to the customer as a mobile application. The mobile application we upload into the Google Play Store and also the Apple Store. So the customer can simply download our application by searching for it on Play Store or Apple Store and install it on their mobile application easily and start to use it anytime. But our application only valid to the laundry service that already registered with our company. So what the marketing activities and promotional campaigns? The first strategy was implement in advertising our business through Google Ads, which is an effective and will allow us to position our application among the first result of giant search engine. We also use social media platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp to posting the advertisement. Additional, the banner and poster will be marked on UM website and UM social media. What are the pricing strategy? In our application, every user who want to use laundry service that already registered with our company need to install Easy Laundry's application. User need to buy lifetime subscription at 20 ringgit per account to use our application. Additionally, fee will be accessed for branded promotion in which laundry businesses bypass us to advertise their goods on our application.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Tia Kaja Binti Fuad with matrix number 275686. So here I'm going to explain about competition and competitive advantage using Porter's 5 forces. Porter's 5 forces can help small business analyze Laundry is providing a platform which is a mobile app and drops laundry business. Second, the competitors is buyer power. The bargaining of buyer power is low because the range of the price in this laundry service is almost similar with the competitors' company. So there's only few businesses that offer pick and drop service in this country and industry. So that's reduced the bargaining of buyer power. Okay. Third, supplier power. The bargaining power of supplier is high because there's only a few suppliers that supply the service of runner who go pick and drops the laundry and others equipment to a large number of buyers. Okay, last but not least, trade of substitution. Okay, product substitute at a lower cost of division or a cheaper substitute products. As related, our Easy Laundry is a laundry business and we provide a unique service with a pick and drop options. Therefore, Easy Laundry will be more profitable the less product alternative there's on the market. Is there any barriers to entry? Yes, there is a barriers that we have to enter because the entry barriers could stop a startup from entering a laundry market. Factors involved as barrier to entry may be product or services differentiation. This is because in laundry we have to come out with unique service and affordable price offer. Our company, Easy Laundry, need to find an effective positioning of the service to the target customer. Next, for the second is capital requirement is also one of the barriers that Easy Laundry need to overcome as financial resources required for infrastructure, machinery, research and development, and advertising. Last but not least, the laundry industry has its own specific set of barriers to entry that startups must contend with. Easy Laundry also needs to consider the government policy and all regulation before setting up their business to keep sustained in this market. For the question, how long will it take the Easy Laundry business to get to the market? As for our project schedule, the estimated time that we need to prepare is 2 months before we get into the market. In 2 months, we need to go through each process and make sure there is no mistake. As you can see on the screen, the tables is the timeline and the task sequence. There is 4 points that I would like to bold on. The first is proposal, second requirement of the proposals, third low fidelity prototype, and fourth is the high fidelity. In this phase, we need to design, testing, and prepare the final reports and also presentation. That's all from me. Next, I'll pass to the next presenter. Thank you.
So for the capability of the management team, I, as Chief Executive Manager, will have primary responsibility for managing the operations of the team and for effectuating the decision of the managers. Nur Shahira, as a project manager, will plan, organize, and direct the completion of specific projects while ensuring these projects are on time, on budget, and within scope. Muhammad Alif, as a project designer, will responsible to design on how the application will look like for client and their customer. He is skilled in design using software which is Figma to create an interface design. While Muhammad Arshad, as project designer assistant under Muhammad Alif, will be responsible for assisting the designer. He is skilled in providing ideas from other resources and suggestions to help designers when it is hard to make a decision for design. Teh Nurul Hajijah, as a marketing manager, will be responsible for leading the marketing efforts of a service and product to clients. She estimates market demand and leads a marketing team to develop and implement creative and unique strategies. Any gaps from the management team will be filled by getting ideas through other media resources or advice from others. For example, we will seek advice from other members that that works in other company graphic designer to improve the skill in design of the application. Also, our team will make a discussion and share their experiences, also skill to solve any gaps of the team members. So for cash details, it is important when doing the forecasting to include the cash that will be immediately available as the capital and the number of clients that the business will enlist. And while projected income in the first year of launching the applications, the projected income is in the range of 7,800 78,000, and this will mainly depend on the marketing strategies employed. While major expenditure, in this case, it running, servicing, and maintaining an app to date that can be expensive as there are various costs involved. However, with our solid and constant gross profit achievable, we certainly can install our apps into a much longer period of time. Our major expenditure splits into four sections, which are fixed expense, uh, which most into networking, software, and servers database expense. Um, we generate our revenue from the first year. It will be a tough one because our company will still be in the initial stage and the profit expected are not that great. The revenue expected from the one-time payment is estimated to be in the range of 78,000 in the first year. With this being a working value, all of our revenue will be gained from one-time payment from user that bought our app, that bought our apps. Our application will cost around 10 ringgit for an estimated total of 7,800 users in UUM. We set our cost to 10 ringgit because it is much cheaper and students can use it for a lifetime since it gives them only a one-time payment. This is because there are expenses that students need to pay in the university and the cash they need to keep up with activities, events, and yes, classes.